The biggest limited time Amazon promo code deals I can find happening today, Home Edition. First up, we have this cordless vacuum cleaner. Was 100, but with this code, you can drop it down to 60. Next up, we have a 100 pack of AA batteries. Don't forget to clip the coupon here. Was 30, but with this code, you can drop it down to 17. By the way, if you're looking for all these items with the promo codes, they're gonna be posted in my bio. Next up, we have this 6-pack of hardline journal notebooks. Was 22, but with this code, you can drop it down to 14. And lastly, we have this blow-up air mattress. Comes at a queen size. Was 90, but with this code, you can drop it down to 45.